Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Elastic Cloud login issues, cluster and auth errors step by step clearly. To fix Elastic Cloud login issues, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and active connection. Next, verify your Elastic Cloud account credentials. Double-check the email and password for accuracy. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Check if there are any ongoing service outages on the Elastic Cloud status page. Sometimes, login issues can arise from server maintenance. If your credentials are correct and no outages exist, try clearing your browser cache. Open your browser settings and navigate to the Privacy or History section. Clear the cache and cookies, then restart the browser. After that, attempt to log in again. If you're still having issues, try using a different web browser or device. This could help identify if the problem is browser-specific. For those using a VPN, try disconnecting it. A VPN can interfere with the login process occasionally. If you're still facing issues, check if your firewall or security software is blocking Elastic Cloud. Adjust the settings to allow access if necessary. Next, navigate to your cluster settings within the Elastic Cloud console. Verify that the cluster is running and not in a stopped state. If it is stopped, try restarting the cluster. Check your API key or authentication settings next. Ensure your API key has the necessary permissions for access. If you're using a third-party tool, ensure it's configured correctly with your credentials. If you encounter specific error messages, take note of them. Look up the error messages in the Elastic documentation or forums for tailored solutions. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Elastic support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the errors you're encountering. Following these steps should help you resolve most Elastic Cloud login issues effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.